Welcome to the channel. I am your host, Mr. Gaza. Of course, you know that. Today, we got something very important lined up for you today, and especially for the ones that owns the Infiniti or the Nissan Armada. Okay, listen, before we go any further, I just want to say something. Are you subscribed? We need your support. We truly appreciate the things that you do for us. And I tell you what, the only reason why I work in this blistering heat in the garage is for the recognition of you. Believe it or not, I am graded, trust me, by the algorithms, which could be a very nasty thing. Not a lot of people are actually YouTubing anymore. I hate that word, but it is YouTubing or vlogging. People are now moving over to unknown sites that don't offer any detailed work when they're broadcasting. But listen, YouTube, if you happen to run across my video, please go ahead and broadcast my video without me trying to pay for the video to go out. Because word on the street, Mr. YouTube and my illustrious leader, I really appreciate you. I could not have been or gone this far without you. A lot of vloggers and YouTubers are no longer rooting for YouTube. Today we are here to show you how to fix the washer fluid sensor. The level that's in the container, it senses if you're low or high or full, and it gives you that pesky little light right there that you see right. That is on your dashboard all the time when you're driving, and it looks as if that something is really wrong with your motor, but it is not. It's just a washer fluid basket sensor that's really fucked up. So today we're going to teach you how to fix this, and step by step, and how to work safely. So listen, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am nothing without you, really and truly. And it really means a lot to me if you go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. This is how my videos get reached out to you. I'm not going to pressure you into commenting because it's up to you. It's up to you, straight up. It's up to you. I don't care. You can say anything you want.
Just be nice.
All right. All right, man. It's hot in here. I gotta turn on the fan. I'm gonna lower the camera to show you what I'm gonna do now. But so far, so good. Everything is hunky-dory, and I'm gonna go show you step by step. Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. You see, I am by the passenger side wheel. Well, in order to get to the reservoir, you need to go by the passenger side front wheel. Duh. Listen, apart from the theatrics and all that crazy jazz, yes, you could either take the wheel off or you just jack it up and see if you can get to it behind this splash guard right here. Hey, welcome back. Listen, in order for you to remove the undercover, you need to get a T20, and you're gonna need this tool right here. It's a plastic pin remover. Also, just in case you order these online, these are plastic pins. They do break, and you know, just be on the safe side. You can have something to replace it with, because you really don't want any mud or dirt splashing up under here, just destroying the components. And shut up. And also setting the all of these sensors onto here haywiring. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to work. It's kind of awkward. Whenever I pull the shield off, I'm going to show you onto there, okay? I am going to remove the tire. It's cleaner. You get to see everything. Too much work for one little piece of shit. Let's go ahead and take the tire off. You don't need to see that. The tire's off. It only took a minute. But I'm only taking off the tire for you guys, so you can see how to do it. If it was for me, I'd leave it on and just do this. But I'm just taking out the tire so you can see clearly. Alright? I'm doing this for you. Don't let me down, guys. Do not let me down, man. I know you can do something for me. You know what it is. Hit that subscribe button. Hey, you're onto the wheel well. And there are places where you gotta look for these little grommet style pins. There's one behind on the running board. There's two sitting right here behind the wheel on the left side, and there is 1, 2 sitting up in the top. This is where you can locate them, and this is where you gotta go look for them, okay? All right, this is how we're gonna remove it. All right, now we removed all of these little pins. We're gonna pull it to the side as always. Pull it to the side, baby. All right, mates. Here we have it. The washer fluid. Everything here is sitting behind the wheel well, right behind the fender, between the body and the fender skin. So you apologize for the lighting, and I think I see where this bitch is at. It's right up here. Right up here. See right up, let's see here. Right here is where the sensor is at. I'm gonna have to open it up, and I'm gonna have to drain out all the water that's sitting inside this container. It's gonna be a whole gallon, so I'm gonna make a really nasty job. Let's see here. Okay. And right here. Hopefully nothing gets in, but it gives a shit. If it goes in, it goes in, right? Exactly. We don't care about anything else. Slide right in. Here we go. It's in. Excuse the noise. it's in. Now we're just gonna have to go mount it over at the truck. Okay. Camera drop. This is where we have our bolts. Up in there, up there, and right there in the corner where the clip is, it goes into that clip. Alright, so this is how we have it. The flexible, really flexible hose goes onto your left side, and that long one that goes to come from the front goes poking out from here. This is the long one. This one with a check valve in it, I guess this goes to the back. And you do it like this, make sure you run it along to retain it. Here you have your 10mm bolts, and there's another one right there. All right, we got everything up. So just remember, my beautiful friends, that you have to remove. You got to remove these two hoses, unplug these switches, motor and sensor, pull with two 10mm bolts up in the top, go up in the top, pull the filler tube out and slide this out, and then when you have it out, you have to finesse it, this sensor here, with two long beak pliers, and you gotta finesse it. You don't want to crack the container. Finesse it, and put it back. This job took me 2.5 hours to do, because this thing ain't no joke, son. This shit is some hard fucking shit to do. Welcome back. Well, this video, we thought it was a simple job just for changing the sensor on the Nissan Armada. It is pretty easy to pull out and pretty difficult to replace that sensor without damaging the reservoir or the fluid container. Be sure not to damage your fluid container or the reservoir for the washer fluid. That reservoir costs $300 at the dealer. You don't want, or online, but if you guys know where we can get it for affordable price, leave in the comment section below for the other people so you can help them to locate or to find these parts. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please hit that notification bell. That subscription does not mean anything without hitting that notification bell, and it is so simple and easy. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching the Gaza Performance Garage. This is incredibly hot today. The cameras were overheating. I could not do much video recording, and at the angle at which I was, it was very hard for me to do any recording because of the angle. But anyway, I hope I helped you out on this. Just remember, when you're jacking up your car, make sure you use a jack stand to remove, just to remove the wheel. Always use a jack stand. All right. Thank you for watching the channel. I'm Mr. Gaza, bugging out.
If your playlist needs a refresh, you're in luck. Check this out. I've got 2 brand new videos just for you. Dive in, enjoy, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the comments.